A rare tornado hit St. Louis today. It destroyed homes, flipped cars, and tore trees from the ground. Winds reached over 130 miles per hour. This is what's left. A city shaken, families homeless.
I heard a loud roar. Then the windows shattered. We ran to the basement. It was over in minutes.
Rescue teams are still searching. Many are hurt. Some are missing.
We're checking every house, looking for people trapped. It's tough, but we're not stopping.
Shelters are open. The Red Cross is helping. Food, water, and blankets are being given.
People are scared. We're here to help. They need support.
We are sending more help. The people of St. Louis are not alone. We will rebuild together.
The storm is gone, but the damage remains. Now the city begins to heal. To help, visit redcross.org or call the number on your screen.